Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna unbox IVE Empathy. This is the U version, and let's see what's inside. This is the front and the back. Let's see what this is. This is a poster. As I was flipping through the book and even just looking at this poster, I really love Wonyeon's style. She looks like a princess here. Let's look at the CD. We have two Band-Aid stickers. Okay, we have pictures. Last but not least, let's see whose photo card we have. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.